Hello viewers, in this video we will see how to make 4 sweets that are easy to make and healthy too. First, let's look into making wheat laddus. In a heavy bottomed pan, heat ghee and add wheat flour. Combine these well and continue to stir on low flame. Fry until the flour turns brown and becomes fragrant. Take off from heat. Add chopped nuts. And the raisins. Now add in the powdered sugar. Mix this well and allow to cool. Once cooled down, make laddus of desired size. Enjoy delicious wheat laddus. Now let's see how to make pista burfis. Start off by soaking 2 cups pista in hot water for about 10 minutes. Then peel the soaked pistas and grind these into a coarse paste and set aside. Now to a pan, add 2 cups of sugar along with 1/4 cup of water. Stir on a low flame. Boil the sugar syrup until single string consistency is achieved. Next, add in the ground pista paste and mix. To this, add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Once the mixture starts to thicken, add 1 tablespoon ghee and mix. When it starts leaving the sides of the pan easily, turn off heat and pour onto a well-greased plate. Spread evenly. Add a little ghee and flatten with a spatula. When slightly hard, cut into pieces. Delicious pista burfi is ready. Next, we'll see how to make tasty peanut laddus. First, break down any big chunks of jaggery into small pieces. Now add the roasted peanuts and jaggery into a mixer jar. Run in short intervals to make a coarse powder. Make laddus of desired size. Enjoy tasty and healthy peanut laddus. Now we'll see how to make sesame seeds laddus. Heat a pan on low flame and dry roast sesame seeds. Roast till the seeds pop and turn golden. Remove from heat and set aside. Similarly, dry roast peanuts on low heat. When they turn crunchy, remove from heat. Once the peanuts are cool, crush them coarsely. Now roast coconut on low flame while stirring continuously. Once they turn golden, set aside to cool. Combine all the roasted ingredients along with cardamom powder and mix well. Set this mixture aside. Now add jaggery to the pan. along with 3 tablespoons of water and melt the jaggery on low flame. Once melted, filter the jaggery to remove any impurities and continue to heat and bring to a boil until soft boil stage is achieved. To check, drop a bit of jaggery in water and gather with fingertip. It should stay in a soft ball. Now turn off heat and add the roasted ingredients mixture to the jaggery and combine well. Cool the mixture and form laddus of desired size. Nutritious sesame seeds laddus are ready. Enjoy! Do try out these easy sweets and share your comments below.